everybody, welcome to another new video. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna show you my birds, my pet birds. So I'm gonna show you my cockatiel. His name is Pepsi, and he's a really sweet bird. So and then after that, I'm gonna show you my parakeets. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah. Woo! Okay, everybody, this is my pet bird. He's a cockatiel, and his name is Pepsi. And he's getting really sleepy right now. You guys can tell he's closing his eyes a little bit. His name is Pepsi, and he's really sweet. He loves to be scratched on his neck. Rubbed on his neck, so. Do you like that, Pepsi? Oh, you're so sweet. There you go. And, we had him for a long time, and Pepsi, say hi for the camera. And he hasn't sang for a long time, so he likes to sing sometimes, but not always. So we had him for a few years, and he's really cute. Hey, Pepsi. Oh, Pepsi, I just want to squeeze you. Cute little thing. And my older sister got him for us, and my older sister she gave him to us, and so we had him for years. I think we got him in February one year, and he's really cute, and we love him. My family loves birds, and so that's him, and I love it when he's all fluffed up like that. And I'm gonna show you my parakeets next, and so yeah. So he can be Pepsi can be a little grumpy sometimes, but that's okay. Okay, now to show you my parakeets. Say goodbye, Pepsi. Bye. Say cheese. I love his eyes. They're so cute. Okay, now for the parakeets. Okay, everybody, these are my parakeets. I only have like 2. And here I can show you. Let me open up the cage. I can tell you a little bit about them. So this is Pretzel, the blue and white one, and he is our first parakeet that we ever got, and they love their toys, so, and their mirrors. There's like a mirror right there, and a mirror right there too on each side. So Pretzel, he doesn't like to be touched, but we can hold him on our finger, and they're both boys, I think. And Pretzel right there, let's see, I'm trying trying to think. And he looks really, really cute. And let me try and hold him on my finger so I can show you what he's like. So if I like touch him and he gets really irate. See? Watch. It's okay. See, he doesn't like to be touched, but I can hold him on my finger. Come here. Okay, this is Pretzel, and he's really, really cute. Pretzel, Pretzel, what's wrong? It's okay. And then he just, so that's Pretzel, and when we first got him, he was like, his tail was really, really short, and so yeah, we had him since I think 2014. So yeah, and then this is Sky. I know Sky's a girl's name, but we don't know if these two are girls or boys, because but we just call this one Sky. She's not really tame, but Pretzel is. But Sky right here, she just stays in the cage because she doesn't like to be held. So yeah. And they love each other too. So this is and these are all my birds. Pretzel, what are you looking at? Pretzel. Pretzel? So you can close up. That's Pretzel, and this is Sky. There we go. Excuse me, sorry. And that's about it. These are all my birds. That's Pepsi right there. And this is Pretzel and Sky. I hope you guys like my pet birds, and I wanted to do this video like a long time ago to show you. So they're really sweet birds, and I really love birds. They're one of my favorite animals. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and have a good day and night. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And so on. Bye. In the next video, it's gonna be a music video. So look for the video in my channel. So I'm gonna make the music video today. So it's gonna be an LPS music video. So the song's called Numa Numa, and I love that song, and I want to do a music video in it. So look for that video. So I'll see you in the next video. So bye.